Hey guys, here I am in the fresh seafood market again. You see, the seafood is so fresh. Some seafood is much cheaper because it is not alive. Can you guess what is my target this time? Yeah, that's my target. Only $88 a catty. What's a bargain? After back home, I put the crabs in a basin. They can stay alive for a few more hours. All the ingredients are ready. Let's get started. First of all, coat the crab pieces with a very thin layer of cornstarch. If you like, you can season with salt and white pepper powder, but I didn't, because I think that's not necessary. Okay, let's start cooking. Heat up the pot over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread the oil evenly. When the oil is hot, sauté garlic slices, ginger slices, and white parts of green onions. Sauté them until you can smell the fragrance. Then it's time to add the crab pieces. Sauté until you can smell the fragrance of the crabs. The pot is a little bit small. I should have used the 24 cm stove. Actually, deep fry the crab pieces is the best way. But you know, it's just home cooking, so I just simply sauté in a pot. Wow, the crab smells so good. Then take the crab pieces out and put aside. Don't wash the pot, because the crab fragrance is there. Add the pre-mixed sauce. It's better to add 1 more cup of water because glass noodles absorb a lot of water. Add glass noodles now. The glass noodles has to be soaked in advance in order to make them soft. Put the crab pieces back to the pot. Then cover and simmer for about 5 minutes over medium heat. After 5 minutes, add green onion sections and ginger shreds. Grind some black pepper all over. Cover and simmer for 2 more minutes over medium-low heat. Off the heat, and the crab pot is done.